Two good wishes all to you and you. Color festoons everywhere. People showing how much they care. Shaking hands and smiling. Two good wishes all to you and you. We think of Chacha on this day. His love for us will always stay. This day is just the day for us as we celebrate our Children's Day. Color festoons everywhere. People showing how much they care. Shaking hands and smiling. Two good wishes all to you and you. Bringing past back to our minds, 'twas Chacha's birthday, you will find. He loved children with all his heart. From them he never liked to part. Color festoons everywhere. People showing how much they care. Shaking hands and smiling. Two good wishes all to you and you. Color festoons everywhere. People showing how much they care. Shaking hands and smiling. Two good wishes all to you and you.
Good morning to all. My greetings to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Children's Day. As we celebrate the day, I would like to add on a few words to the young Loyolians. Children's Day, a day to make sure the blooming buds of our nation are being treated and considered equal. It's been celebrated all around the world on different dates. We Indians, in honor of the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly called Chachaji, celebrates it on 14th of November every year. Chachaji was the epitome of love towards children. He devoted himself in working towards the betterment of child welfare. His vision focused on making India the world leader, which could be achieved only by nurturing the children, the future of our country. Empowering the young children, never clipping their wings, giving them the freedom to dream, providing them the basic amenities were few of Chachaji's impulse. The day reminds everyone of the preciousness of kids, the blooming buds. This day is to revisit Nehru's principles on providing children to have their wings and fly rather than restricting and limiting their creativity. I conclude with a wonderful quote by Chachaji. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of our country. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
The person who runs away exposes himself to that very danger more than a person who sits quietly.
Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad, India in 1889. His father was a renowned lawyer and one of Mahatma Gandhi's notable lieutenants. A series of English governesses and tutors educated Nehru at home until he was 16. He continued his education in England, first at Harrow School and then at Trinity College, Cambridge, where he earned an honours degree in natural science. He later studied law at Inner Temple in London before returning home to India in 1912. 4 years later, Nehru married Kamla Kaul. Their only child, Indira Priyadarshini, was born in 1917. In 1919, while travelling on a train, Nehru overheard British Brigadier General Dyer gloating over the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The massacre also known as Massacre of Amritsar, was an incident in which 379 people were killed and at least 1,200 wounded when the British military stationed there continuously fired for 10 minutes on a crowd of unarmed Indians. Upon hearing Dyer's word, Nehru vowed to fight the British. The incident changed the course of his life. This period in Indian history was marked by a wave of nationalist activity and governmental repression. Nehru joined the Indian National Congress, one of India's two major political parties. Nehru was deeply influenced by the party's leader, Mahatma Gandhi. In 1928, after years of a struggle on behalf of Indian emancipation, Jawaharlal Nehru was named President of Indian National Congress. In fact, hoping that Nehru would attract India's youth to the party, Mahatma Gandhi had engineered Nehru's rise. The next year, Nehru led the historic session at Lahore that proclaimed complete independence as India's political goal. November 1930 saw the start of the Round Table Conferences, which convened in London and hosted British and Indian officials working toward a plan of eventual independence. In August 1947, India got total independence. The British withdrew and Nehru became independent India's first Prime Minister. The importance of Jawaharlal Nehru in the context of Indian history can be distilled to the following points. He imparted modern values and thought, stressed secularism, insisted upon the basic unity of India, and, in the face of ethnic and religious diversity, carried India into the modern age of scientific innovation and technological progress. He also prompted social concern for the marginalized and poor and respect for democratic values. Chacha Nehru, as the children fondly referred to him, he was fond of both children and roses. In fact, he often compared the two, saying that children were like the birds in a garden. They should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they were the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. He felt that children are the real strength of a country and the very foundation of society. He was the beloved of all the children who gave him the endearing name of Chacha Nehru. Nehru's four pillars of domestic policies were democracy, socialism, unity, and secularism, and he largely succeeded in maintaining a strong foundation of all four during his tenure as Prime Minister. Most schools have cultural programs for the day, with the students managing it all. All over the country, various cultural, social, and even corporate institutions conduct competitions for children. Children's Day is a day for children to engage in fun and frolic. Schools celebrate this day by organizing cultural programs. Teachers of the school perform songs and dance for their students. Therefore, Children's Day is special. It is a day set aside to remember Pandit Nehru and his love for children.
It is a fundamental rule of human life that if the approach is good, the response is good.
जलदीप बना है बच्चों के लिए, और सवाल ये है कि बच्चे उसे पसंद करते हैं कि नहीं। ये थोड़ी कि मैं पसंद करता हूँ कि नहीं है? मेरा पसंद करना न करने का कोई माने ही नहीं है। बच्चे करें तो अच्छा है, बच्चे नहीं करें तो निकम्मा है। लेकिन उसमें क्या खास उसका फिल्म का हिस्सा है जो ज्यादा पसंद आया?
मुझे वो वाला अच्छा लगा जहाँ दुबे बस को चलाया।
अच्छा, तो दुबे बस को चलाता है तुम्हें पसंद आया। बात यह है कि बच्चों के फिल्म और मुल्कों में और देशों में अब अच्छे अच्छे बनने लगे, और जो बड़ों का फिल्म होता है कितना ही अच्छा हो, वो मुमकिन है बच्चों के लायक ना हो। बड़ों को पसंद हो, बच्चों को ना हो, ऊब जाए सो जाए उसको देखते देखते। इसलिए बच्चों के लिए अलग फिल्म बनानी चाहिए। अब ये जलदीप ये एक करीब करीब पहली कोशिश है बच्चों के लिए फिल्म बनाने की, और भी बनेंगे हम आशा करते हैं, उससे भी अच्छे होंगे। लेकिन हमेशा याद रखो, बच्चे का फिल्म का इम्तिहान लिया जाता है कि बच्चों को पसंद है कि नहीं। बड़ों से पूछने कोई माने नहीं। तो खैर हम इस नतीजे पे पहुंचे ना कि बच्चों की फिल्म बनने चाहिए हमारे देश में, हा? और दूसरी बात यह कि अच्छे फिल्म होने चाहिए, क्योंकि दूसरी दर्जे की चीज कोई हम पसंद नहीं करते अपने देश की, अव्वल दर्जे की होनी चाहिए। फर्ज करो तुमने चिड़ियाओं का कहा था, कितनी चिड़ियाएं हैं दुनिया में, हजारों लाखों किस्म की। कितनी चिड़ियाओं को तुम पहचानते हो? उनकी आवाज सुन के बता दो, देखो ये कोयल बोली या ये बोला ये वो बोला। हाँ, बहुत पहचाना। फर्ज करो बताओ कि एक हम फिल्म बनाए गंगा का, गंगा जी का फिल्म बनाए, तो उसमें कितनी बातें हम बता सकते हैं। दूसरी बात लो, आसमान पे तुम इतने तारों को देखते हो, लखू खा तारे, इन तारों की कहानियां हैं, इन तारों के नाम हैं। एक दफे तुम पहचान लो वो तारे का नाम ये है, तो दोस्त हो जाता है तुम्हारा। हाँ, जैसे तुम सड़क पे चलो, बहुत भीड़ चल रही है, तुम किसी को जानो नहीं, तो भीड़ तो है लेकिन तुम अकेले हो, और तुम एकदम से देखो तुम्हारा दोस्त जा रहा है तो फौरन देखो वो दोस्त आया। हाँ? इसी तरह से ये बड़े तारों का मजमा है ऊपर, अच्छा सुंदर लगता है, लेकिन जहां तुम उन्हें पहचानने लगो उनमें से कुछ को, तो दोस्त हो जाते हैं। खैर, तो अच्छा हो अगर बच्चों के अच्छे अच्छे फिल्म बने और बच्चे देखें। ये बाहर से फिल्म आते हैं, अक्सर अमेरिका से आते हैं और जगह से, अच्छे होते हैं, बात बड़े अच्छे होते हैं। बात ऐसे होते हैं सिवाय लड़ाई झगड़े के कुछ नहीं होते, मुझे नहीं अच्छे लगते लड़ाई झगड़े। काफी वही लड़ाई झगड़ा है, उसको और फिल्म पे भी दिखाना।
Time is not measured by the passing of years but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves.